Good afternoon, guys. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, June 8th, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you the 7 extra puzzles. The first one is the letter Sudoku. Then we have a Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, another tectonic but with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. I will solve 4 of them in the evening. But first let me start with this one, the medium Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, there's not kind of news today. Well, the summer is coming. Yes, this weekend it will be hot, 29-30 degrees here, so the summer is coming. All right, medium Sudoku number 6559. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 31 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the easiest one in the additional is a 1-star puzzle, 1-star Sudoku. I need to be faster than 50 minutes for a 1-star puzzle, and the 1-star puzzle has 27 printed digits. This one has 31, so it should be easier than the 1-star. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Yeah, let me see. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So the 2 and 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right, the 2 and 5. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then. Yeah. 3. How about the 7? Come on. 8. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. 3, the 5, and the 4. 4, 5. Could be everywhere here. Interesting. The 9. 4. I'm thinking. 4. Need a 1 here. Let me think. The 2. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 3 should be there. Need 8 here. Oh, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the second column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. And here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in the first column should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 5, 9, 7, 5, 9, 7, 5, 9, 7, 5, 9, and look, we have 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in the first column for number 7. 7. Right. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 here. 5 here. Need a 9 here. Need also a 9 here. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, the 9 is missing. 7 and 9 is 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we need a 6 here. And need a 9. 5 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Well. 8, 5, and 9. No, 8, 5, and 7. Here. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8. The 2, the 4, 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, and 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Think. 1, 1, 3, 8, 8, 8. 4, 4, 4. Need a 9 here. 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 9, 9. Interesting. The 3 should be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 8, 9. 4, 7, 8, 9. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 8. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 9. 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 7, 8, and a 9 in this row. So no 7, 8, 9 in this box. 7, 8, 9 goes in those 3 boxes. So 1 digit left here should be the 4. 7, 8, 9. So we have a 9 there. So the 7 and 8. 4, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. We have an 8 here, so the 7 and the 9 goes there. Alright, we have a 4 here, so we need a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. There, 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in the last column should be there. 4, 4. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 7, 5, 8, and 6. Need a 6 here. Yeah, 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 7, 5, yeah. These are 3 missing numbers in the first row. 7, 5, 8. 7, 5, 8. Okay, need to wait. 7, 5, 8. 7, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. 3, 3. 3, 2, 3, and 5. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, this box can be a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers, the 7 and the 5, okay. 7 and a 5 here also. Oh, well, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay, 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So here we have 2 missing numbers, the 7 and the 9 then. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. Then we have 5 and we have 1 here. Okay, 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. Yeah, so we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so no row below, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there, we see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left in this third column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 now in the middle row, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 and 9, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square column is the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well. Talk too much in the beginning, otherwise it will be faster than 14 or 15 or 14 minutes. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.